In this video today, you are about to learn how to make $738 in just 2 days on Clickbank as a complete beginner. So when you come here, you can see the date. Today is 11th May. You can see my earning. As I scroll, you can see my earning for last week. As you can see my earning for last 2 weeks, and then last 3 weeks. You can see the corresponding amount right here. As you can see each of them. As you can see everything on my dashboard. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you step by step on how to promote products on Clickbank. So I'll be showing you the best product to promote. I'll also be showing you the best traffic source that you can use to promote the products for free without paying for anything. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. So what we are going to do is that you are going to come here and then click on the marketplace so that you can find products to promote on Clickbank. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to make money on Clickbank. But I'm not going to go through all of these categories. I'm going to show you one specific category whereby you can get products to promote and then make money without paying for traffic. So what we are going to do is that you are going to click on cooking, food and wine category. So you just click on that. Once you click on that, you can see this. The first product is fat burning kitchen, that is for anti-aging. You can see that the commission rate is $41.36. So we are not going to promote this product. I'm going to show you one of the best products in this category to promote. So we are going to be promoting this product, keto resources. This is one of the best products in this category. You can see that commission rate is $25.98. The most important thing is that it is mobile friendly. As you can see here, you can also see that it's a CPA offer. As you can see here, you can see that the initial conversion is $25.98. So once you get the client to sign up for the offer, you are going to earn $25.98 immediately. Another good thing about this product is that they have a trial. So in case your customers are not willing to buy instantly, they can sign up for a $1 trial and you are still going to be earning money when they sign up for the $1 trial. So what we are going to do is that we are going to check the landing page of the product so that we can get to know some basic information about the product before we promote it. So what you are going to do is that you are just going to click on the name of the product, keto resources. Once you click on that, you are going to land on this page. So as you can see, this is the first page that your customers are going to see before they buy the product. One good thing I like about this landing page is that they have a lot of information about the product, as you can see, with many pictures. So the customers are going to get more information about the product before they buy it. Everything that the customer needs to know about the product is included in this particular landing page. So there's a possibility of you getting more conversion when you promote this product. As you can see, a whole lot of different information about the product. As you can see, so many information. So you can see that the customer is going to pay $37 and it's one-time offer, so they don't need to purchase anything again, just $37, and they are going to get a lot of keto resources, and you are going to get $25.98 out of this $37. So that is the commission rate. So this is a 21-day keto challenge, so a lot of people are going to get involved so that they can lose weight or for a lot of health reasons. So this is a good product that you can promote. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to begin promoting this product. So to promote this product, there are a lot of ways that you can promote the product. You can build a landing page to promote this product, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you one of the easiest way that you can use to promote this product. So what we are going to do is that we are going to convert this landing page into a PDF document so that we can share it with people and they are going to read more about the product before they purchase it. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use this website to PDF. So once you search for that, you are going to find the website right here. Just click on it. As you can see, this is the website, convert web to PDF. Once you are on the page, what you are going to do is that you are going to copy the URL of the landing page so that you can convert it. So just copy the entire URL of the landing page so that you can convert it to a PDF document. Just copy it. Once you copy it, just paste it here. Once you paste it, you are going to just click here and it's going to be converted to a PDF document that you can easily share with others. As you can see, this is the PDF document. So we are going to just click on download the converted file and you are going to download it onto your PC. So once you click on download, it is going to start downloading shortly. As you can see, it is downloading right here. So As you can see, the download is complete. Once you convert the landing page to a PDF document, the next thing is that you are going to edit the PDF document and then insert your affiliate links into it. Because if you don't insert your affiliate links into it, you are not going to make money if you share it to people and they read it. So you are going to insert your affiliate links in the PDF document so that when you share it with people, they can click through those affiliate links and then purchase the product for you to earn money. So you are going to use this website to edit the PDF document. The name of this website is cedar.com. So you are going to search for this website. You don't need to sign up. You can just upload your document for free and then edit it so that you can insert your affiliate links into it. So once you're on the website, what you are going to do is that you are going to just click on edit a PDF document. Once you click on edit a PDF document, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to click on upload PDF file. Once you click on upload your PDF file, you are going to select your document and then just click on open, and it's going to be uploaded onto this website. As you can see, it is uploading. It's 1% now, so we are waiting for it to upload fully so that we can begin editing the document. As you can see, the document has been fully uploaded. So what we are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. As you can see, this is the document that we downloaded onto the PC. So we are going to scroll through it to see how it looks like. So as you can see, all the information is there. As you can see, everything is inside. So what we are now going to do is that we are going to insert our affiliate links into this particular PDF document so that we can get people to read it and then click through our affiliate link. So the first call to action in the PDF document is this particular one at the bottom of the PDF document. So you can see take the challenge. So what we are going to do is that we are going to edit it and then insert our affiliate link into it. So what we are going to do is that we are just going to click on it. Just select link here. Once you select link, just click here so that you can edit it and then insert your affiliate link into it. So once you click on it, you can see that this is their link, and you are going to delete this and then insert your affiliate link. So once you click on it, you are going to go back to Clickbank so that you can get your affiliate link and then delete this one and then paste your affiliate link right here. So you are going to come back to Clickbank. Once you are on Clickbank, you are going to click on promote so that you can get your unique affiliate link. Once you click on promote, you can see your account's nickname. You can enter a tracking ID here. So once you enter your details, you are going to click on create hop link. Once you click on create hop link, you can see this is your unique affiliate link. So anytime people purchase the product through this link, you are going to earn money. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on copy so that you can copy your unique affiliate link. Once you copy your unique affiliate link, you are going to come back to Cedar, and what you are going to do is that you are going to delete the link here. Just delete this one right here, delete it. Once you delete their link, you are going to paste your own affiliate link here. So you paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, you can see this is now your unique affiliate link. Once that is done, you are going to press enter on your PC so that it will be inserted onto the call to action. So just press on that. The link right here is now your unique affiliate link. Once that is done, you can scroll through the document and then insert many call to actions in the book so that anytime the reader reads, they can click through them and then you are going to make money. You can see this one right here. See more about the guys. So here you are also going to insert your affiliate link so that you can get them to click through. So you just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to delete this link and then paste your unique affiliate link right here. So you are going to paste it, just press enter and it's going to be inserted. So when you come here, this particular text is linked to your unique affiliate link. So now we have our affiliate link in the book. So once you have our affiliate links in the book, the next thing is that you are going to click on apply changes so that your links will be in the book. So anytime you share it, you can get people to click through and then purchase the product. So you're just going to click on apply changes. Once you click on apply changes, you can download your edited PDF document right here. So once you click here, you are going to download it onto your PC and you can begin sharing the document so that when people read it, they can click through your affiliate link. So you just click on download so that you can save the document onto your PC. As you can see, it is downloading right now and it's going to complete within some few seconds, as you can see it right here. So now the document, it has been downloaded onto my PC. So the next thing is that we are going to find a website whereby you can share this document to a lot of people so that they can read it and then click through your affiliate links. So one of the websites that I found that is more relevant for you to share your PDF document is clamium.com, or I don't know how to pronounce it well, clamium.com. This is one of the websites that you can publish your document for free and you are going to get a lot of people to read it. When you come to SimilarWeb, you can see that Clamour is getting a lot of traffic every month. You can see in the month of February it got 4.4 million. You can see March it got 4.9 million. You can see April it got 3.5 million. So this is a huge traffic source that you can get for free without paying for anything. So you can see that sometimes it grows, sometimes it falls. So you don't know what will happen this month. It might happen that the traffic is going to even go higher, or it can also reduce, so we don't know. So what we are going to do is that we are going to upload the document onto clamion.com so that we can promote it, so that we can get a lot of people to read it for you to earn money anytime they click through your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So as you can see, let me scroll, you can see many documents on this platform. Let me scroll down, you can see several books on this platform. So you are also going to upload the PDF document onto this platform so that you can get people to sign up for the offer for you to earn money. So what we are going to do is that you are going to sign up for a free account. So you don't need to pay anything. They have a premium version, but you are going to sign up for a free account so that you can use it to promote your PDF document. So once you're on your accounts, what you are going to do is that you are going to click on publish now so that you can publish your document. So once you click on publish now, you are going to click here, select documents from my computer. So you are going to click on that so that you can select your PDF document. Once you click on that, you are going to select your document right here. Once you select it, just click on open and it's going to be uploaded onto the website. So as you can see, this is the name of the document. So here you are going to change the name because this name doesn't make sense. So you are going to just change the name to 21-day keto challenge. So this is the name of the document, 21-day keto challenge. Once you enter the title, the next thing is that you are going to write a description about the book. So you can just type something like, this is a free keto resources guide for everyone. Just a simple description like this. This is a free keto resources guide for everyone. Once that is done, you are going to select content reserved for adult, only 18 plus. So we don't need to restrict anyone because it doesn't contain adult content. So you are not going to select this option. You can come here and then customize a lot of options here, but here we are not going to touch it because we want it to be public. We reserve the right to publish it. The publication date is right. You can see from left to right, that is the mode of reading, and it's okay. With display mode, automatic, that is okay. We don't need to touch anything. So as you can see, these are the details that you need to provide about the book, and you are going to publish it. You can see, save this setting to default for future publication. We don't need to select that. So just click on publish and your book is going to go live onto the platform. As you can see, it is uploading right now and it's going to be published onto this website, and we are going to be getting people to read it. As you can see, the book has been published. See, this is the book on the platform, as you can see it right here. So you can click here to view it. So let me click it for you to see. Just click on view so that you can view your own document. As you can see, this is the PDF document. So you just click on next page, click on next page. As you can see, this is our affiliate link right here. You can see the link is up. Let me click for you. As you can see, the link is over there. So anytime people click on follow the link, they are going to be directed to the product on Clickbank. Once they make a purchase, you are going to be earning money on Clickbank for free without buying traffic, without any skills, without any experience. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.